bad.
What did you just do?
You reverse.
I was reversing, yes. Where did you pass me?
Well, I didn't realize you were going to stop.
Where did you pass me?
Behind you?
Behind me. When I'm reversing, which way am I going?
You went forward, didn't park, decided to back up, didn't realize you were going kind of fast, then you stopped. I made a decision to go around you.
Was that a wise decision?
Did I hit you?
No, you didn't.
Right. So it was wise for me to keep moving rather than to stop and hit you.
Would it be wise to just stop and wait?
I was going already. I thought you were going to park.
You thought I was going to park, but I did not clear the roadway. I was still in the road. Okay. Let me see your license real quick.
For what?
So I can take down the number.
For what?
I can give you a ticket or I can write down your number.
What would the ticket be for?
What's the ticket for?
Yeah.
Unsafe speed.
I wasn't even going fast.
It doesn't matter how
I have my dash cam right here.
It doesn't matter how fast you're going.
Okay.
I'm in the roadway. You decide to pass me while I'm doing a movement.
You weren't even clear. I have it recorded. I thought you were parking.
It doesn't matter what you think. What if you thought wrong?
Then that's how accidents happen. But an accident didn't happen, did it?
So it's all good?
Are you okay? Is it all good?
So it's all good? So in the future, fuck it. If I guess right, I'm good? Yes?
We're having a moral conduct right now?
No, I'm just trying to keep you from being too much of a dick. So next time if that happens, maybe you will wait.
Maybe, but it wasn't even going that fast. You stopped randomly.
It's all good.
Accidents happen every day, man. It's what insurance is for.
You're absolutely right. Have a nice day.
I haven't been on the road. Rick, I'm cooking.
yourself, you white old man.